Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share audio in Google Meet. This feature is useful when you want everyone in the meeting to hear the sound from a YouTube video, a presentation, or any audio playing in your browser. First, open Google Meet and start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you're in the meeting, click the Present Now button at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose the Chrome tab option. This is the best way to share audio because Google Meet can share the sound from a browser tab. Now select the YouTube tab that you want to share. Before clicking the Share button, make sure the Share tab audio option is turned on. This is the most important step. If this option is disabled, other participants will be able to see your screen, but they won't hear the audio. After that, click the Share button. The selected YouTube tab will be shared with everyone in the meeting. You can now play the video, and the audio will be shared automatically. If you want to stop sharing, click Stop Sharing at the top of the screen or click Stop Presenting in Google Meet. The screen and audio sharing will end immediately. For the best audio quality, use the Chrome tab option and keep the Share tab audio setting enabled while presenting. That's how to share audio in Google Meet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials in 2026.